Hello everyone, welcome back for today's puzzle. Again, we're continuing on in the Max Water Very Easy Sudoku Volume 1. There's a link in the description, or you can find it on Amazon if you want to solve along with me. I do make a small commission off of any book sales. Alright, so let's work on this box here. Looks like we're missing a 2, a 5, and an 8. We've got a 2 there, so 5, 8. No help here, 2, 5, 8. And no help here, 2, 5, 8. If we work on this box, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing 4, 7, and 8. We've got a 4 and a 7 there, so this is our 8. But no other help, so 4, 7, 4, 7. If we work on this column, it looks like we're missing a 1 and a 5. And we don't have any help. So 1, 5, 1, 5. If we work on this row, it looks like we're missing a 1 and a 2, but we don't have any help. 1, 2, 1, 2. For this row, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing 5, 7, and 8. There's a 7 here. So 5, 8. And since the 7 can't be here or here, it must be here. Let's see. Let's work on this column. Looks like we're missing a 1. 5 and 7. We've got the 7 there, so 1, 5. No help here. 1, 5, 7, and a 7 there, so 1, 5. So that means the only box that our 7 can be in is here. Let's see. How about we work on this column here? Looks like we're missing a 2, 5, 6, and 8. We've got a 6 there. So 2, 5, 8. We've got an 8 there. So 2, 5, 6. Got a 2 and a 6 there. So 5, 8. And no help here except for that 6. So 2, 5, 8. But if we look back, this is the only place our 6 can be. Can work on this box here. Looks like we're missing a 1, 5, 8, and 9. We've got a 9 there. So 1, 5, 8. And again, the 9 there. So 1, 5, 8. We've got the 8 there, so 1, 5, 9. Can work on this box. Looks like we're missing a 1, 2, 5, and 8. We've got a 2 here. So 1, 5, 1, 4, 5, and 8. No help. Oh, we've got the 4 there. So 1, 2, 5, 8. No help here. 1, 2, 4, 5, 8. We've got an 8 and a 4 here, so 1, 2, 5. I don't know, we're getting a little messy again. We finish out this column, we're missing 1, 2, 5, 8, 9. And we've got no help. So 1, 2, 5, 8, 9. But this is the only one that our 9 can be in. Let's work on this column. Looks like we're missing 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. We've got 3 and 7. So 4, 5, 6. This row we've got the 6. So 4 and 5. We've got the 4 down here. So 3, 6, 7. But in this row we've got a 3 and a 7, and we've got the 4. But we're still missing a 5. So 5, 6, and we should have had a 5 in this box too. Let's finish this top row. We're missing 1, 4, 5, 6, 8. We've got the 8 there. And a 5 there. So 1, 4, 6. So I don't see any boxes that we can say, oh, that has to be that. I'm just checking back, sorry. All right, let's work on this bottom row. We're missing 1, 2, 5, 6, and 9. We've got the 9 and the 6 there. So 1, 2, 5. We've got a 5 there and the 9 there. So 1, 2, 6. And that means that our 9 has to be here. If we work on this row, we're missing 1, 4, 5, 7, 8. We've got the 4 there. So 1, 4, 5, 7. We've got the 4 here and the 5 here. So 1, 7, 8. We've got the 7, 8 here. So 1, 4, 5. We've got the 4, 7, 8 here. So 1, 5. If we work on this box, we're missing a 1, 2, 4, 5, and 6. We've got a 4 there, a 6 there. So 1, 2, 5. We've got a 4 here. So we said 1, 2, 5, 6. So it looks like, yes, we've got a 6 there, a 6 there, and a 6 there. So this is the only place our 6 can be. So we can get rid of this 6. And if I'm looking back for this column, we're missing an 8. And it couldn't be there or there. But it can be there, so it still could be here. So let's finish this column. We're missing 1, 2, 5, and 8. We've got a 1 there. So 2, 5, 8. If we finish out this box, we're missing 1, 2, 3, 5, 8. We've got the 1 there. 2, 3, 5, 8. If we work on this row, we're missing 1, 2, 5, and 9. We've got the 5 there. So 1, 2, 9. work on this box. We're missing 1, 2, 5, 7, 8. And we've got no help. 1, 2, 5, 7, 8. Finish out this box. We're missing 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 9. We've got the 5 and the 6. So 1, 2, 4, 9. So is there anything that helps us out here? Not that I am seeing. Right. So let's finish off this box. We're missing 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. We've got the 6 there, the 3 and the 5 there. So 1, 4, and 8. So the 8 can't be in this box because of this 8, or here because of this 8. It can be there and there. The 4 can be there and there. Sorry, bear with me. I'm just trying to look through here. It looks like this is the only place our 3 can be, and that would be this 3 covering this box. 3 there covers that, and 3 there covers that. What else can we do here? Looks like this is the only place our 3 can be for that column. Looks like also for this column, that's the only place our 9 can be. So then we can get rid of this 9. That means this is the only place our 9 can be for this column. Like this is the only place the 7 can be for that column, which makes this our 4. Which means we can get rid of this 4 up here and this 4 here. Right. Well, I am a bit stumped, guys. Do you see what I am missing? Because I sure don't. But there must be something, right? All right, how about here? This has to be our 2. we can get rid of this 2, which means the only place the 2 can be in that column is here. So then we can get rid of that 2, that 2, that 2. Oh, this 2 means this is our 1, this is our 2. So we can get rid of that 1, this 1, which means that our 4 has to be here for that column. We can get rid of this 2. Get rid of this 2 and this 4. Let's see. If we look at this box, the 4 can't be here or here or here. So this has to be our 4, which makes this our 5, this our 1, which means this is our 8. So we can get rid of this 8, get rid of the 1 here and the 1 here, which means for this column this has to be our 1, so this is our 5. So we can get rid of this 1, this 1, this 5, this 5, so that means this is our 8, 5, 7, 1, 2. That 1 makes this our 8, so this is our 7. We can get rid of this 2. This 5 means we can get rid of this 5, and that makes this our 1. So this is our 2, this is our 5, this is our 1. This 2 and this 5 means this is our 8, 5, 2. The 1 here makes this our 5, so this is our 6 and our 1. 6 here makes this our 4, and this our 6. And let's see, that 5 makes this our 8, 5, 8, 5. All right, I think we got through that one. That one was pretty close. All right, well, join us back again tomorrow where we will work on the next puzzle.